leading their state. A spike in cases and ICU beds filling up.
We're running out of space. We're running out of supplies.
9 months into this pandemic.
Hi, my name is David and I am the founder of the Global Awareness Challenge. What is this about? Well, this is about moving our attention from things that promote fear to things that promote love and well-being. And the way this works is every week we post a 10-minute video that guides you to disconnect from everything and connect to yourself. Okay, cool, but with so many distractions, how is the Global Awareness Challenge going to get my attention? Every week there is a cash giveaway that you can win if you enter the challenge. And if you are not so interested in receiving the cash, we will donate it to the charity of your choice. Plus, the videos are very easy to follow, entertaining and engaging. The way we see this is individual awareness builds up into global awareness, and global awareness makes the world a better place for all. Now, we invite you to check out our current challenge, which is a 10-minute video offering a guided relaxation.